David did not stop there. I want you to take note because this is what God is showing me. David began to strategize. There was a strategy. While these experienced leaders were hiding, Pandan lidè panou yo kache, ki kote yo panou pale. Peuple haïtien ap cherché lidè yo. We have 9 presidents. 85% of the capital is occupied by gangs. We wonder who is running the country. The leader was hiding. So David began to strategize. There needs to be a strategy for this fight. So as he was strategizing, he got to a point where he was ready to go. He told Saul he was ready to go. Li di Siyen li prêt pour l'aller. Li de pa nou son paquet Siyen yo ye. Li de pa nou se yon paquet Siyen yo ye. Yo caché. Yo pa vim nou parler. Yo caché. Mais que quelqu'un David qui doit paraître dans mi temps bataille ça. The strategy tonight is as you can see. Most of the stuff that was done here was by young people. This is a new strategy. Our country always has